Hello, I'm Christine Peck, Chief Communications Officer for the Poway Unified School District, and this is your News Minute. Turtleback Elementary started the new year with a new principal. Students rolled out an official welcome to Mr. Adam Carlin at their Friday flag. Welcome to Team PUSD. Oak Valley Middle School students and staff signed a beam that's going into the roof of the new building on campus. The classrooms are expected to be completed later this year. Congratulations to Mount Carmel special education teacher Lisa Chohani for receiving the Turnaround Teacher Award at the inaugural Equity Lighthouse Awards from the San Diego County Office of Education. January is School Board Recognition Month, so thank a board member next time you see them for their service to PUSD. Fifth graders at Rolling Hills honored Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. by reciting their favorite quotes at Friday Flag. Remember, schools and district offices are closed Monday in honor of Dr. King. Thanks for watching. That was your News Minute.